friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Sheryl and I love decorating with style on a budget, and I love to try to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. And in today's video, I am going to be talking to you about some glam and elegant vignettes that I have created around my home. This video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by the Glam Elegant Living Society. Our host is Allie from Glam Elegant Living, and her co-hosts are Petal from Petalisbless DIY, Candy from DIY Design by CCW, and myself, Sheryl, with iStYLEMYSTYLE. So what we ask you to do is to talk about some glam and elegant home decor, something that you think is glamorous, that could be winter or Christmas related, if I could talk. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you, like I said, some glam and elegant vignettes that I have put together. Now, I think these could pass for winter or Christmas. It's not really specific in my opinion, but we're going to start with this mantle. So I have put this together. This is my faux mantle that I created. I talk about this a lot. This is a fireplace that you can build in or mount it on the wall. And I have just created a full mantle by using a floating shelf above it. So I think it looks perfect here, and it is a budget-friendly way to bring a fireplace into your home. So to put this look together, I have used this greenery that I picked up from Hearth and Hand last year. I want to say it was around $20. I am using this really glam and elegant candle holder that I picked up from Ross and a disco ball theme. And I am using, I was going to say these were $7.99 or $9.99. These trees came from the Target dollar spot. They were $5 a piece. These little candle holders came from Kirkland's on clearance last year. So I have just put together this simple vignette, and this is my first glam and elegant vignette. I love how it came together. I think it just looks so stylish and so glam and elegant. The next piece that I want to show you that I think is glam and elegant is this tree that I have put together for Christmas. Now this tree, I told you in a previous video, I was inspired by Ramon at home. So I wanted to create something glam and elegant using my black and white traditional colors. So for this, I have used some Christmas balls that I picked up on clearance last year from Hobby Lobby. These came from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and just some picks to create this overall look. And this is our second vignette, and I absolutely love how this came together. Our third vignette is this one here. I love the black and white with the greenery. You know, black and white are my signature colors. Again, we're bringing in the glam with our black vase and the mirrored finish. We have a mirrored, what is this? I want to say a jingle bell, and some glam snowballs along with the glam snowflake. And this creates a very glam and elegant look here on the coffee table with the angel wings. I absolutely love this look. Very glam and elegant. Again, perfect for Christmas or winter. So I can leave this out all winter long after Christmas, which is one of the things I would tell you is if you are designing and putting together items to use in your home, always think of, will I be able to use this for more than one season? Is it for other areas in the home? Can I leave it out longer than the intended purpose? That way you get more use out of the items that you're picking up. So you're spending less money and getting more bang for your buck. Over here we have another vignette. I am using these gray and white flowers. This is an example of using something year round. So I keep this floral arrangement out year round. I love the way it looks. It's very glam and elegant to me. I picked up this vase from Ross. I love the mosaic finish. I love these flowers, and I picked these up. It was after, it wasn't Christmas. I want to say it was after fall. It was around the fall time, about 2 or 3 years ago. And I love this arrangement. I haven't changed it. So it's been the same for 2 or 3 years. I do dust and clean it up and everything, but this is how this looks. Again, another way to use items year round, and it's perfect for Christmas and every other day of the week. And all I did was add a glam and sparkly Christmas tree to complete the setup, and I absolutely love the way this looks. It's very simple. These are the DIY ornaments that we created using those clear plastic bowls from the Dollar Tree. I think these look so high-end, so luxe, and they were inspired by the ornaments that we saw at Kirkland's. This little nutcracker, he is just so cute. Look at him. He reminded me of the nutcracker from our house, and I want to say he was over $100, and I found this one at Target for just $25, as well as this tree and this cream and bronzy gold color. So pretty. And I created this simple vignette that I think is perfect up here for Christmas. So I have a lot more to show you up here. So if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I will be decorating our loft area next, and you don't want to miss it. We're going for a warm golden bronzy tone up here, and I think you will absolutely love it. Over here is our last vignette that is Glam and Elegant. So I picked up these snowmen from Crate and Barrel, no, CB2. I picked these up from CB2 several years ago. How much were you? I think this one was like a Black Friday deal, or I don't know, it's on sale for like $8.99. I want to say this one was probably $20. And remember this nutcracker that we picked up from the Dollar General? It was $6, and we sprayed it with that metallic bright finish spray paint from Rust-Oleum. He looks so cute, and he only cost $6. So again, budget friendly, very cost effective. And if you didn't want to spend $25 on the nutcracker from Target, you could pick this one up from the Dollar General and paint it out, and you would still have the same luxe look for less. So I want to thank Allie for co-hosting this open collaboration. I will leave a link for her channel down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. And make sure you go check out everyone's video. You are sure to get tons of Christmas and winter decorating inspiration. So guys, that's all I have for you today, and I hope to see you in the next one.